this quick video, I show you how to add products to your Google business profile to make your listing more attractive and drive more customers your way. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple business tutorials. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to business.google.com. Click sign in at the top right and log in using the Gmail account linked to your business. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll see all your business details. Now, look for the Edit Products section. Click on it, then select Get Started to begin adding your items. You'll be prompted to enter details like the product name, description, and price. And most importantly, upload a high quality image that showcases your product clearly. A great photo can instantly attract more customers. Next, choose a category that best matches your product. If you don't find one that fits perfectly, simply create a new category and type in your own. Once everything looks good, click Publish to submit it. After submission, Google may take a little time to verify your product before it goes live. This step ensures everything follows their guidelines. So, don't worry if you don't see it appear right away. And that's it. You've successfully added products to your Google business profile. Keeping your listings updated helps boost visibility, build trust, and attract more local customers. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy business tips.